Hey explorers, welcome back to English Explorers with Ridhima. Today we are diving into some fun and unique ways to answer the question, how are you? If you have been sticking to the plain old I am fine, now it's high time to mix it up and sound more fluent and engaging in English. Let's explore together. When you are feeling fantastic, then you can use such positive responses like I am doing great, I am fantastic, thank you, I am wonderful, and you? Never better, thanks for asking. I'm feeling amazing today. Not every day is a high energy day, and that's okay. So, here are the neutral responses for this question. I'm okay. I'm alright. Not bad. How about you? I am good. Thanks for asking. Just getting through the day. And what about you? When you are talking to friends or in a relaxed setting, then these are the casual responses. Can't complain. I am hanging in there. I'm chill. What about you? Pretty good. You? Doing fine. How about yourself? For professional or polite settings, here are formal responses. I am well. Thank you. And you? I am quite well. Thank you for asking. I'm in good spirits. Thank you. I'm doing fine. How about you? I am feeling good. Thanks for checking in. Now you have a variety of ways to answer how are you depending on your mood and the situation. Try using these in your conversations to sound more natural and confident. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to this channel for more fun and practical English lessons. Bye for now. Namaste.